CSX fans, Norfolk Southern fans, BNSF, look what I got. The trains are moving. Waycross trains for Scott. I've seen trains after trains, and this train is backing up in the Rice Yard on the Fitzgerald Subdivision. Look at there, we got a train backing up, SD40s. All right, he's backing up. Waycross train spotter. That train's going back in the Rice Yard. You hear the roaring sound of the locomotive. Boy, it's been a great day for rail fans. I've seen trains in Callahan, Florida, Folkestone, Georgia, and around Waycross. Train after train. And there goes a train now. A train going back in. There goes a train. All right. Let's just be super calm. He's going back in the Rice Yard. Yep, he's backing in the yard. Well, I'm going to go spot me another train around Waycross, Georgia. See if I can find me another freight train, intermodal train. I'm going to see if I can find me another train, intermodal coal train. Good day for trains.